Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made this delicious yam frittata. If you want to know how I made it, definitely keep on watching and be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment and share it, and I'll see you all in my next one. Stay blessed. Bye. So here I have some eggs, yam, one scotch bonnet, mackerel, fresh tomatoes, sliced onions, salt, mixed bell peppers, thyme, curry, parsley, aromats, some Maggi cubes. So in an empty pot I'm going to add a little bit of water, and after that I'm going to add a pinch of salt and just shake it a little bit, and I'm going to start placing the yam into the pot, and after that I'll just leave it to cook about 7 to 8 minutes, and after that I'm going to transfer the yam into a plate. So after that, this is how the yam looks. So I'm going to fry the yam again in a oil. After transferring the yam into this plate, I'm going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil into this pan, and I will leave it like a minute or two to get hot, and I will add the sliced onion. So I'll just stir until it becomes translucent. Now I'm adding ginger and garlic. I'm going to stir, and after that I'm going to add the fresh tomatoes. So now I'm going to add the mixed peppers and the scotch bonnet, and I'm going to stir. So now I'm just adding parsley and curry, thyme, just all the remaining ingredients that I'm using to cook that. So I'm just adding salt to taste, and finally I'm going to add the Maggi cubes, and I'm going to stir again. So after 3 minutes I'll just check it again and stir, and then I'll prepare to add mackerel, and after adding the mackerel I'll give it a good stir and taste for salt. Make sure that everything is properly mixed. So yeah, that's it. I don't need to add any other thing. So I'll just leave it for a few minutes, like a minute or two, and then I'll stir again and put it aside. So here I'm adding a pinch of aromats and parsley, and I'm going to give it a good whisk. And after that I'm going to pour all the mixture into the egg. So here I'm giving it a good stir and make sure that everything mixed properly. So in an empty pan, I'm going to add a pinch of olive oil to moisten the pan. And after that, I'm pouring all the mixture back in the pan. And I'll just stir one more time. So the next thing is to add those yams beautifully on top of it. So after doing that, I will use the remaining red, green and yellow bell pepper to beautify the top. So after that, I'm going to put it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes.
Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we
Beautiful. Let me know if you enjoyed this video and give me a huge thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe to my channel once more, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.